Having trouble with Alexa lighting up but not replying? That often means she hears you but can't understand your commands well. In this video, I'll guide you through easy steps to fix it so Alexa starts listening and answering again. Let's jump right into it. Before we start, check the basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. Solution 1. Restart the Alexa Echo. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then plug it back in. After that, open the Alexa apps open. Tap the bulb icon. Select your device. Tap Settings. Tap Wi-Fi Network. Check the connection health. If this says poor, that means you have issues with internet, so you can restart your Wi-Fi to solve that problem. After following this, if you are still facing the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Unmute the Alexa device. Make sure the microphone isn't muted. If the microphone is muted, look for the microphone button on your device and press it to unmute. Then the red light should turn off. Solution 3. Reset the Alexa device. Open the Amazon Alexa app. Sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create an Amazon account from here using an email or a phone number. After signing into Alexa, allow all the permission if it wants. Tap on the more icon below. Now tap the plus icon at the top. Then tap device. Next, tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then process the follow on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once your device is set up, you can connect your smart home devices, set up routines, manage alarms and timers, and many more features. I hope your Echo Dot is working fine now. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay connected.